Exercise 4.4, question number 3. I'll read the question first. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? Okay, what they're asking us is they're asking whether you have to first check whether we can form a rectangular design, rectangle shape, shape where the length is twice the breadth and the area is equal to 800 meters square. Is it possible? They are asking. If it is possible, we have to find the value of length and breadth. That's what. See here, I will draw a rectangle. Okay. CL. Okay, first put solution and draw a rough diagram. Okay, of a rectangle. This is a rectangle. In this rectangle, this is length and this is breadth. You all know this, right? Length and breadth. And what is the area given here? Area of this rectangle? 800 meters square. Okay, this is given. But the condition is the length should be twice the breadth. Okay, the area of a rectangle should be 800 meters square. And one more condition is length should be twice the breadth. We have to check whether it is it possible to form a rectangle, to design a rectangle where the length is twice the breadth as well as the area is 800 meters square. So what I'm going to do is, first step, let us take, let the breadth of the rectangular mango groove be, let the breadth, we don't know what is the breadth and what is the length. We have to finally find what is the length and breadth. So I'm taking the breadth of, let the breadth of the rectangular mango groove. Breadth of the rectangular mango groove be x. The length of the breadth of the rectangular mango groove, I'm taking it as x meters because area is given in meter square. Therefore, the breadth is x meters. Now, since the length is breadth is since the breadth is x, so what? Therefore, what is the length, ma? Because in question it is clearly given length is equal to twice the breadth. What is twice the breadth? 2 into breadth. It is the meaning of twice the breadth. Are you able to understand this, ma? Length is equal to 2 into breadth.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, length is L. L is equal to 2 into breadth is x. Okay, we are assuming that the breadth of the mango groove is x. So 2 into x. Therefore, L is equal to 2 into x. Is simply we can write 2x. Okay, length is 2x and breadth is x. Okay, I will complete it up to this step. My L is equal to 2x.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we know what is now. So in this question, b is equal to x, b is equal to x meters, and L is equal to 2x, 2 into x, that is 2x. Easy, yeah? Breadth is x, and therefore length is equal to 2x. Now what you have to do is, you have to use the given data that is given as, area is given as, what is the value of area given here? 800 meters square.
Meter square.
Now, what is the formula for finding the area of the rectangle now? Because this is in the shape of a rectangle. What is the formula for finding the area?
Twice.
Length into breadth, L into B is equal to 800. Is it correct? Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the place of area, I'm writing L into B because the formula for finding the area is L into B. Now, in the place of L, I'm going to replace L by 2x because it is given that length is twice the breadth. 2x into what is breadth? Breadth is x. B is x, which is equal to 800. So 2x into x is equal to 800. Okay, please complete up to this step. 2x into x is equal to 800. Completed. Now let's do the next step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 2, which is in the meaning of 2x into x is 2 into x into x. This 2, which is in multiplication, when taken to the opposite side, becomes division. You know that, right? So it becomes 800 divided by 2. And what is x into x? This x into x. It is x square. Am I correct or wrong?
X square. Yes,
Okay, x
sir.
into x is x square. This 2 which is in multiplication, I'm taking to the right hand side. That becomes division. So x square is equal to 800 by 2. What is 800 by 2? 400. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. You have to write the 2 0. So x square is equal to 400. X square is equal to 400. Now, this square when taken to the opposite side, it becomes square root, as well as we have to put plus or minus square root. When a square is taken to the opposite side of the equation, it becomes plus or minus square root of 400. Now, what is the value of plus square root of 400? Ma?
20.
20. Yeah, very good. 20 into 20 is 400. So square root of 400 is 20. So we got the value of x is equal to plus or minus 20. Listen, we got x is equal to plus or minus 20. Therefore, we have two values of x. So x is equal to plus 20 is one value and x is equal to minus 20. But is it possible to take x is equal to minus 20? Because what is x? X represents the
No,
length.
sir.
Okay, that is x represents the breadth. Okay, mama, x represents breadth. Can breadth be negative, ma? It have a negative value?
No.
No.
No. So we have to put a box and write it over here. Okay, there are two values for x. That is one is plus 20 and another one is minus 20. X is equal to minus 20 is inadmissible. X is equal to minus 20 is not. Okay, 1 minute. X is equal to minus 20 is inadmissible, or else you can write it is not possible. X is equal to minus 20 is inadmissible or it is not possible. Okay, therefore we are taking x is equal to 20 meters, where x is the breadth. Okay, that is breadth is equal to, because x is nothing but breadth, so breadth is equal to 20 meters. Okay, now breadth is 20 meter means what is length? Because we have, it is given in the question, length is 2 times the breadth, that is 2 into x. 2 into x is length, so 2 into 20. What is 2 into 20?
40.
40. So length is equal to 40. Therefore, we got the length also. So for this rectangular mango group, the breadth is 20 and the length is equal to 40 meters.
40.
Okay, please write. Okay, that's it. So it is possible, because if the length is 40 meters and the breadth is 20 meters, then the area, what is 40 into 20? Can anyone tell me what is the 40 into 20 value?
14, 20.
L into B. If it is length is 40 and breadth, what is 40 into 21?
800.
800. So that is
800.
possible. So therefore, we have to, what you have to conclude is, yes, it is possible to design a mango groove where the length is 40 meters and the breadth is 20 meters and the area is 800 meters square. And one more thing is, the length is 40, that is 2 times the breadth, twice the breadth, because breadth is 20, length is 40. So that is possible. So after finding L is equal to 40 meter, please write the final step. Okay, whatever I'm writing in the screen, you have to write. I will complete it up to L is equal to 40, length is equal to 40 meters.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hence, it is possible to design the rectangular mango groove. First condition they are asking, first question they are asking whether it is possible or not. Yes, it is possible. Is it possible to design the rectangular mango groove? Full stop.
Oh.
Okay.
Sir, mango group means?
It is a tray where we keep the mangoes. Okay. In the rectangular tray, the what to say, persons who sell mangoes, right, are they used to distribute. Okay. That box,
Yes.
the box is in the shape of a rectangle. Okay. Tray. That tray will be will have what to say, holes like that, because for air to pass through. I will show you what is mango groove in the screen. 1 second. One minute.
Yes, sir.
And you'll complete it up to this step.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute. It's very slow. 1 minute, ma. Okay, okay. So it is not actually
So,
the place where they.
and
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, it is, listen, ma. The place they are planting this mango trees, right? In a field, okay, that is called as mango grove.
oh, like a
Okay.
garden.
Yeah, that garden mango, okay, it is
Oh,
full of mango trees. It is called as mango grove.
mango garden.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
It is not a box, sorry, ma.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. So now we have proved that yes, we can design a mango grove where the length, okay, according to the given condition. Now we have to write also, because after confirming it is possible, we have to write what is length and breadth. So we have got the length and breadth also. Also length is equal to 40 meters and breadth is equal to, what is the breadth, ma? 20 meters, huh?
20 meters.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
20 meters. This is the answer. Okay. So it is not the groove, it is not a tray, it is a place we plant the mango trees. The place that is called as mango grove. Completed, Amma? Okay, next which question you want me to teach? One more question. Any small question means I can finish it in 10 minutes. Any other question?
So question number 4.
Question number 4. Okay, ma. All of you write question number 4. This kind of word problems, if you write, you will understand. Listen carefully, ma. Fourth question, also a word problem. We have to first check whether it is possible to. First, they are asking, is this following situation possible? If it is possible, then find the ages, find their present ages. You have to first think about whether it is possible. So, how to find whether it is possible means first we have to convert the given situation into a mathematical equation, and we have to check whether that particular equation is having real roots or not. If it is having real roots means yes, that is possible. If it is not having real roots means it is not possible. So I will read the question. Question number 4. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Listen carefully. The sum of the ages of two friends is what? 20 years. So what I can take, okay, here it is. Let the age of two friends, okay, let the age of two friends be, I can take it as the age of one friend as X and the age of another friend as Y. Okay, so X and Y respectively. Let the age of two friends be X and Y respectively. Okay, according to the question, okay, according to the question, sum of the ages, what is the sum of the ages given in the question? Sum of the ages of two friends is given as 20, which means X plus Y is equal to 20. Is it correct? Age of the first friend is X, age of the second friend is Y. So X plus Y is equal to 20 because it is given in the question. Now I'm going to take this plus X to the right hand side. What it will become? Y is equal to 20 minus X. Because we have to form an equation involving only one variable. That is why I'm keeping this Y in the left hand side. I'm taking the X to the opposite side, becomes minus X. So 20 minus X. Let it be, okay. No need to mention any what to say equation. No need to put an equation number. You can keep as it is. Therefore, the age of one student is X and the other student is Y. Sorry, and the other student is 20 minus X. That is Y is equal to 20 minus X. Now, in question, another condition is given. 4 years ago. Listen, ma. 4 years ago. Please put us a topic like this. 4 years ago. Age of first friend. What is the age of first friend? The present age of first friend is we have taken as X. let the present age, you can mention it here, like let the present age of two friends be X and Y. Now, what is the age 4 years ago of the first friend? Age of the first friend 4 years ago. That is X minus 4. Am I right? Are you able to understand this? X minus 4. For example, your present age is 15 means 4 years ago, your age will be 15 minus 4. That is 11 years. Correct? Huh? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Likewise, the present age of first friend is X. So 4 years ago, his age will be X minus 4. And what about the age of second friend?
Y minus
Y minus 4. But
Yes,
Y
sir.
is taken as, listen, ma, Y minus 4, you can write. In the next step, you can replace Y. You can replace Y. So Y minus 4. Therefore, in the place of Y, I'm going to write, what is Y here? 20 minus X. What is Y, ma? 20 minus X. So 20 minus X minus 4. 20 minus X minus 4. What is 20 minus 4?
16.
16.
16.
16. Very good. 20
Minus
minus 4 is
16.
16
No,
minus
16.
X. We have that minus X, we have write it over here. So 16 minus X is the age of the second friend 4 years ago. Are you able to understand this step? In the place
Yes,
of Y,
sir.
I'm replacing it by 20 minus X.
Yes, sir.
Okay, replacing Y 20 minus X and putting this same minus 4 here. So 20 minus 4 is 16 minus X I am writing here. So 16 minus X is the age of second friend 4 years ago. So we got the age of two friends 4 years ago. Now, next condition. The condition given here it is 4 years ago, the product of their ages is in years was 48. Listen, ma, 4 years ago, now, I put now, 4 years ago, the product of their ages is equal to 48. It is given in the question. Okay, one of the student is not muting. Okay, you can mute your audio. So I'm going to multiply the age of first friend, that is age of first friend 4 years ago is X minus 4, into the age of second friend 4 years ago is 16 minus X. So X minus 4 into 16 minus X is equal to 48. Is it correct? Are you able to understand this step? Or else you can write according to the question here. According to the question, the product of the ages of two friends 4 years ago is 48, was 48. How many of you understood this step, ma? If you have doubt, please ask. Why I am writing X minus 4 into 16 minus X, 16 minus X is equal to 48. If you have doubt, you can ask now. Yes?
No doubt.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now we have to distribute, you have to expand this. Okay, X into 16. What is X into 16? 16X. What is X into minus X? Here plus into minus is minus. X into X is X square. Now what is minus 4 into 16? Minus 64. Minus 64. Okay, minus 64. And what is minus 4 into minus X? Minus into minus is plus. 4 into X is 4X plus 4X. And I'm going to take this plus 48 to the left hand side, becomes minus 48, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now next step. First we have to always write with the X square term, that is minus X square. And here 16X plus 4X. What is 16X plus 4X? 20X. 16X plus 4X is 20X. And minus 64 minus 48. What is minus 64 minus 48? Minus 100 minus 112. Minus 112, which is equal to 0. So minus X square I have written here. 16X plus 4X is plus 20X. Minus 64 minus 48 is minus 112, which is equal to 0. Now the X square coefficient is negative. So what you have to do is we have to multiply by minus 1. The whole equation we have to multiply by minus 1 to change the sign. So what it will become is minus 1 into minus X square is plus X square. It will change its sign. Plus 20X into minus 1 is minus 1 into plus 20X is minus 20X. Here minus 112 will become plus 112. You all know this, right? When we multiply an equation by minus 1, it will change its sign. Do you know this or not? You know.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
we got
sir.
an equation. We got a quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is the quadratic equation which suits the given condition. The given condition is very simple. There are two friends, and the sum of the ages of the present age is 20. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48. With the help of this conditions, we have formed a quadratic equation, that is x square minus 20x plus 112. Now what we have to do is we have to first check whether this is possible or not. This condition is possible or not. To check this condition is possible or not, you have to find the discriminant value. Do you know what is for the formula for discriminant? Before finding discriminant, it means, okay, you have to answer me what is the value of a, b, c here for this equation. What is a?
1.
1. Yes, a means coefficient of x square, that is 1. What is b value?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. The coefficient of x is b, that is minus 20. What is c? Plus 112. Simply we can write 112. So we know what is a, b, c values. To check whether this condition is possible, we have to find the discriminant value. If the discriminant value is equal to 0 or greater than 0, real roots exist. If the discriminant is less than 0, is the real roots exist for that condition?
No.
No. So we have to find the value of discriminant to check whether this condition is possible. If this condition is possible, then only we have to find the roots, find the answer. So discriminant formula, any one of you tell me, what is the formula for finding discriminant?
B square minus 4ac.
Very good. B square minus 4ac. Very good. Super. So now we have to replace the values of b, a, and c. What is b? Minus 20. Minus 20 the whole square. Minus 4 into, what is the value of a? 1. Into, what is the value of c? 112. This is equal to minus to the power 2 is plus, minus power 2 is plus, 20 square is 400. 400 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 112 is minus 448. Minus 448. So 400 minus 448 is minus 48. Therefore, we got the value of discriminant is less than 0. Okay, the value of discriminant is less than 0. The value of discriminant is less than 0. Completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since the discriminant is less than 0, we have to conclude this given situation is not possible. The given situation is not possible. Like that, we have to conclude, and further no need to proceed this sum. Because if there is a solution, we can find that solution. But here, the discriminant value is less than 0, which means the given situation is not possible. Hence, the given situation is not possible. Or so the given situation is not possible. That is the answer, final answer for this sum. Okay, please complete up to this. So how many sums we have learned today?
2.
2 questions, huh?
Yes, sir.
So what are the 2 questions?
4.4, question number 3 and 4.
4.4, exercise 4.4, question number
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Okay.
3.
Okay, so with this we'll stop today. If you have doubt in these 2 questions, you can ask, or else you can leave. You can study for your exams. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Sean.
Sir.
Bye, Chanmiki, and bye, Gulti. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.